Alright, what's up guys? Nick and Blake here with the Legend 4x4 Cruiser Gear giveaway, and we got the Cruiser in the shop.
And we know you guys are dying to see it, but first we got to remind you to subscribe to our channel here. Follow us on Instagram at Cruiser Gear at Legend 4x4, and that our intro launch shirt is worth double entries, so double your chances to win this sweet Cruiser.
This thing is in rough shape right now, but when we're done, it's going to be epic. There's no engine, no drivetrain, no interior. Right now, we got mismatched tires, and the body is Swiss cheese. We have our work cut out for us, but with your guys' help, this thing will become a legend. Remember, you are the ones that are going to be designing this Cruiser, so follow along, participate in the polls, and watch us turn this into a legendary Cruiser.